So if you use makeup brushes, when is the last time you washed them? That's what I thought. See, it's really easy to let this simple cleaning task go for too long, but all of the bacteria and dead skin cells that collect on makeup tools can cause breakouts or even an infection. So to prevent this, you want to wash your brushes at least once a week and your makeup sponges after every single use. But it honestly only takes 1 minute to do. I'm going to walk you through the steps. To make washing your makeup brushes super easy, get a silicone brush cleaning mat. And then store it near your bathroom sink so it's easy to get in the habit of cleaning your brushes more often. Now, if you don't have a mat, no problem. You can always just use the palm of your hand, but remember to wash your hands first. Then you want to rinse the bristles thoroughly, being careful not to get any water where the brush connects to the handle. This can cause the glue to deteriorate over time, and you definitely don't want that. Then use a towel to squeeze out any excess water and reshape the bristles. Let the brush dry over the edge of a counter or a shelf, anywhere that lets air circulate around it. You don't want to lay the brush flat to dry, or this could cause mildew. To keep bacteria at bay in between washes, put some rubbing alcohol onto a makeup round, then gently rub the bristles on it. Now, when it comes to makeup sponges, you really want to wash these after every single use. But once you get the routine down, it only takes a minute. You can use either a bar soap or mild baby shampoo. If you're using bar soap, wet the sponge until it expands, then rub it on the bar soap, targeting the areas that are most stained. Then rinse the sponge under water and lather, rinse, repeat until the stains are gone. It's easiest to do this at a sink, but you can also use a bowl of water. And there you go, the stains will magically disappear. Now, to dry the sponge, you want to make sure that air can circulate all the way around it. This will help prevent mold. You can even use the packaging that your sponge came in as a drying rack. Want to learn how to clean everything else in your home? Follow along on realsimple.com.